First, place the button on the fabric and mark the top and bottom to determine the position of the buttonhole. Its size is automatically set by placing the button in the automatic buttonhole foot and adjusting the button holder. Turn the hand wheel toward you to raise the needle to its highest position. Place the foot onto the machine with the presser foot lifter raised, then lower the foot lifter to snap the foot into place. Set the pattern indicator at BH by turning the pattern selector dial on the lower right-hand side of your machine. Simply adjust the desired stitch length and width at this section of the machine. Insert the fabric underneath the foot. Then, turn the hand wheel one complete turn. Remove the fabric to draw both threads back so that they don't get caught in your sewing at the very beginning. Now reinsert the fabric under the foot, lower the needle at the mark, then put the presser foot lifter down. Make sure the buttonhole lever is as far down as it will go before sewing. Sew slowly and stop the machine at the starting point when the buttonhole is completed. The machine will automatically sew the front bar tack and left first row, then the back bar tack and right row. Insert a pin inside the bar tack, then cut the opening with a seam ripper.